on this. Yeah, buddy.
Seriously?
Is that a rock? Oh. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of, what's my vlog called?
I'm building my car and break it and my friends to help me fix it.
Welcome back to another episode. My name is Miss Amelia. You are watching my channel, and today we're trying to get Poop Turd back alive and risen from the dead. The goal here today is to pull the engine and take a look at the block. We're gonna have to send the heads in, and we're gonna see if maybe we can salvage the engine in order to do a rebuild kit. So we'll see. If not, I'm leaning towards a couple other options, but
Put a Jay-Z in it.
I'm considering it. Yo, I asked you guys, like, what should I do? Should I do H6? Should I do the 205 again? And everyone was like, 2JZ. I was like, thanks, guys. I want to do it. I don't know if it'll happen this time. I might wait till I blow the engine again because we already know what's gonna happen. So today we're gonna further assess the damage. Last time we pulled the turbo, pulled the pan. We saw some bearing material in the pan. Check out the episode. I'll put it right here. The engine's done for, so let's see if we can salvage any bit of poop turd this time. Hey, Brianna.
Yeah.
What time is
It's PTT time.
PTT time? Gold Rush Rally took out of me until this very second. I want to work on Poop Turd so badly. Where is she? She's over there. But man, oh man, do I need a Red Bull right now. Let's go say what up to the guys. Whoa, it's looking clean.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good.
Good. Wow, you guys really cleaned up this place, huh?
Yeah.
They're leaving to go get some Chick-fil-A. In the meantime, let's take a look at Poop Turd. And holy hell. You guys know David's FD-ARC-7 David from JD in California. It is here. I wanted to buy this for a hot minute. I almost did, but I didn't want to buy something that was already built. Check this out. Such a beautiful build. I love the hood so much, these double scoops here. Bronze on like a beautiful gray. I don't want to call it gray. Look at this front bumper. Everything about this is beautiful. Rev it! I did not expect them to have a full NVIDIA exhaust system on that Forester. When it came to deciding on food for lunch, there really wasn't a debate. The only thing to order was Chick-fil-A. Of course, someone got the shake. Ugh, I'm so hungry right now. Looks like they f***ed you up with sauces.
I think that's enough. Ahora. Buen cálculo.
I brought you two.
I love you so much right now.
You're welcome.
My God.
I made sure that you got two of them just in case you needed an extra one. We have some work to do.
Oh yeah, we have a long day ahead of us.
We do. I purposely didn't get Chick-fil-A yesterday because I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hang out with Amelia tomorrow. She's probably gonna want to get Chick-fil-A, so I'll just wait.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I have no idea why I would think that.
Me neither. How are those fries?
They're good. They're super good. I haven't eaten yet today.
I saw this thing on Instagram where people spinning around and kicking a bottle lid off. Have you seen those?
No.
You haven't seen that yet?
No.
So I'm gonna do that with this foil.
Is it full?
I can now sleep comfortably at night knowing that I can indeed karate kick off an oil cup. Bro, I got my leg up high. That's not good. That's not good at all. All right, guys, yeah, let's just act like I did that. Okay. The rest of it's in this little tiny cup. I was afraid I was gonna be super f***ing jittery if I did that. All right, let's get started. Here she is. Dun, dun, dun. So should we mark everything like I did the last time?
I don't need to.
No? You know, like the back of your hand? Oh, wait. All right, we're gonna send it. We're just gonna start doing things and then pull this girl out. All right, draining the fluid. We're taking stuff off. I was filming this and then the camera shut off, but all right, let's time lapse now. The 85 smells like tequila, like old tequila.
Oh. I thought you were a professional.
Yeah, I can't get it off though. It must have been the Red Bull. Thanks. There we go.
Teamwork.
So with 3 people, that took us 25 minutes to take out this engine.
Yes.
You remember, you were there.
Yes.
When we fucking used this thing to try to pull Rob out of the lake he drove into.
you said it was a bad idea.
I did say it was a bad idea.
I held the camera, so.
And I did it anyways.
I was like, no, hold the camera, give it to me.
But we can see how badly we hotspotted the clutch now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so everything's disconnected. We disconnected the engine from the trans. You can see the clutch or the pressure plate there. Jesse's loading her up. What'd you do?
I went like this and it fell down all the way as I came.
But yeah, so we'll see that in a second and
We'll make Rob feel super bad.
yeah. So I was just complimenting Brie on the fact that her shorts are long. And I was complimenting them because everyone's like, why do girls wear such short shorts when they work on cars? Because you can't find them anywhere. They only sell short shorts.
I've had these for so long. I don't even know where I got them from. And I'm like, I can't gain any weight because I need to keep these shorts.
It's, dear God, yeah.
Oh God, yeah, that's bad.
But the push-up bra thing with the low top and the titty shaking.
Oh, that's a little bit.
That's a choice.
We were
That's a choice.
Like
yeah.
Yes,
We're
I appreciate them. And we're matching today. We're matching super close.
His eyes went all big, like, oh, this is awkward. Yeah, you have the same problem finding shorts too, huh? That's why you don't wear them. There's my 10 mil socket. Alright guys, so the engine's not really blown. We just needed to wash it, so we thought we'd pull it out to do that.
Get that 10 mil, yeah. Get that 10 mil.
Sure.
Not driven up. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'll keep this so that if I lose mine again, I'll have
Then you have that one. Moment of truth. After the off-road day. I'm sure it's fine.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
You got it? You need help?
What the heck?
That's not good.
Little baby hot spots, but nothing major. Probably want to get it resurfaced though.
That's not nearly as bad.
No, this is nothing.
fine.
That's fine. I'm actually surprised there's no hot spots on this. There's like very minimal, but it's kind of even.
Yeah.
She's out and on a stand. I'll just take everything apart and take a look at the block and see if we can at least save that. And you guys who saw that the engine blew and immediately messaged me if I was doing a part out.
People did that to you?
Yes. I picked up the pressure plate and the clutch fell out and just dropped.
So much for saving the clutch. Let's not damage it. Don't put this on top of it. We'll just drop it instead.
Got it.
Everything goes in the bucket. Literally everything. Every bolt. Everything.
Sucks you have to leave. I'll see you soon.
I'm sorry. I have to go drop my parts off to the guys so it can be ready. So.
Car life.
Yeah.
See you, dude. We got just about everything disassembled from the EJ. Now we're just gonna remove the heads and take a look.
Don't lose the little rings.
That ring? All that for a spark plug job. Jesse just got his head off. Let's take a look at these cylinder walls. It smells really bad. I mean, I don't feel any play in the piston. There we go. Oh, there you have it. Yeah, it does look very clean. So I guess we should just check the bearings now. Looks brand new. It was idling fine, but there's definitely metal inside of the pan when we pulled it. I mean, who knows? Maybe we can salvage this, and that's the point of us looking at it, right? Send it! Let's see a little play. They both got play. That one's a little
Both
worse.
of them.
Yeah. They all got play. The metal one's not as bad. No metal. Should we cut open the filter?
Is there a chance that the metal that we saw on the oil pan,
Yeah.
they came from the turbo?
Yeah, did we ever ship? Oh no, it's still sitting
Yeah.
there. So, I mean, you guys, the engine looks surprisingly very clean. I mean, the bearings are a little loose. What we saw in the pan, do you think that's from those bearings?
It could be from there,
But-
that definitely, it will take the life from the bearing.
Yeah, I mean, again, we're unsure what failed first, but at the end of the day, this actually looks super clean. Maybe we just do some race bearings in this and put everything together and save up for a 2J swap.
Yeah.
But before we make any moves, we're gonna send the heads out to make sure that they're okay, because if they're not, we may go a different route. I wanna do EJ207, but it is very expensive. So maybe we just do the Tomioka 2.2 stroker kit on this. Maybe we just rebuild this, and then we'll start planning for the 2J. The only thing is I'm dumping a lot of money into Mimi right now in order to do a 7-second drag build. That shit ain't cheap. So let's get this back on the road as the daily and figure out how we can make this block just a little bit stronger so I can go a little bit bigger turbo and maybe blow the engine again, but at the end of the day, it'll be okay. All right, we just pulled the filter off. I don't really see any metals.
You don't see it?
No.
Do you see the grate coming out?
I think it's the light, the way I'm looking at it. Oh, now I see it. It's so little. I can see it though. It's not that bad though. There's a good one right there in it. Yeah, that one's got a good one. Not as bad as I thought it would be though. So I think all we really have to do is replace the bearings. We'll swap them out for race bearings and that's about it. I mean, everything looks good. This is the first time I've seen a Subaru engine taken apart as much as we've taken it apart today. You get to do this a lot, huh? That's why, you know, like the back of your hand.
We gotta take the crankshaft to machine shop and see if it's good. If not, we just got to find another one.
Okay.
And standard measurement.
And if it's good, he can just like polish it up,
Yeah,
right?
You can just polish it and it's good to go again.
Okay, cool. And then all we need now is a turbo. 20G? Swapped an engine, got a bigger turbo, need another engine. And you're also gonna send the heads with the crankshaft?
The heads to machine shop.
Okay.
So they can make sure the valves doesn't leak. Or
Okay.
They have to resurface them and they have to make sure everything's good.
So we'll do the heads and the crank. We'll see what they say first before doing anything.
Yeah.
And then maybe Poop Turd will live.
And if everything goes good, Poop Turd can be running pretty soon.
Yeah, hell yeah. I like how it sounds like you said pop turd. Well, there you guys go. I'm glad we tore this apart. You know, I was afraid I was gonna have to buy a whole new engine, but it sounds like I don't wanna jinx it just yet. So we were just talking about it, and we're still gonna send off the turbo for them to take a look at it and let us know, because really it's not that bad. You see the other side?
The model.
There we go.
Oh yeah, this was the sound.
Yeah. But we'll still send that off, and then we'll send everything off, and then hopefully it all comes together. Yeah, and we'll get her running again. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned with Poop Turd and what's going on. Make sure you turn on those post notifications as well, because I'm not on a schedule. You know, I try and do 2 to 3 videos a week, and it doesn't always work that way, and I never know what time I'm gonna post them at. So make sure you turn on those notifications. All right, guys, I'll see ya. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye, Poop Turd. Oh, and it is bright out. I sincerely love when it is lighter later in the day. I'm gonna be so sad once the daylight savings happens again. I'm glad we took everything apart. The engine was actually in really good shape, so we'll send off the turbo, we'll send off the heads, we'll send off the crank, we'll get the heads, assuming they're good, which I'm sure they will be, resurfaced. We'll get the crank resurfaced, aka polished, send the turbo to the guys and see what they think of it. But overall, I'm glad we disassembled everything. I think we can salvage this. I really do. And we'll just upgrade the bearings and get a bigger turbo, and that way, you know, when we max out the turbo, now that the bearings are good, we may as well go for more power. Once we fix the bearings, I need a new turbo anyways, you guys. We may as well go bigger turbo. Comment below, let me know which one you think I should do. Now that everything's disassembled, this would probably be a really good point if I wanted to do a closed deck. However, that costs like $1,400, so I might just leave the open deck, but comment below, let me know what you guys think of that as well, because maybe we just send the block to the machine shop as well. But I'm also thinking, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. That is the update with Poop Turd. I'll have an answer hopefully soon of what I want to do. If you guys have any recommendations, comment below, let me hear them. Thank you EJ's Auto, you guys make sure you go follow them. When it comes to Subarus, there's no one around who could do it better than them. They're also experts in most things JDM. We were also talking about possibly doing Subi Fest, so stay tuned for that. Also, I know I've said it, I will say it again, I am soon going to be closing the merch website, so if you have not copped this drop, make sure you do it now. We have some sick stuff coming in the future, and then this will be goodbye forever. And then if you come up to meets, if you're wearing this merch, then I'll know you've been A1 since day 1. Well, technically day 2 is my second drop. You guys make sure you subscribe, stay on top of the content, and I will see you in the next one. ECREW, we out here. Miss Amelia signing out. Bye! I'm stealing a fry. I'm being a girl right now.